Picture this: a master teacher, 5 eager students, and one tiny target that would reveal the most powerful lesson about success ever taught. This 3,000-year-old story will change how you approach every goal in your life. Once upon a time, there were 5 prince brothers who were learning to be great warriors. Their names were Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev. They had a teacher named Dronacharya.
Good morning, my young princes. Are you ready for today's lesson?
What do we call him again? His name is really long.
You can call me Guru Drona, little one. That's much easier to say.
Good morning, Guru Drona.
Today, we begin a very special adventure. We'll learn how to be heroes. One bright morning like today calls for a very special test, my young warriors.
Wow, it looks so real.
Look at those tiny eyes. They're sparkling.
Today, my dear students, your challenge is to hit this bird's eye with your arrow. But wait, before anyone shoots, I want to ask each of you a very important question.
What kind of question, Guru Drona?
A question that will help me understand not just how well you can shoot, but how well you can truly see.
I hope I do well in this test. Me too, but I'm a little nervous.
Yudhishthir, my thoughtful prince, would you step forward first? Tell me, my child, what do you see when you look at your target?
Oh, Guru Drona, I can see many things. I see the big tree with its thick brown trunk, the green branch where the bird sits, the wooden bird itself, all the fluttering leaves dancing in the breeze, and the beautiful blue sky behind everything.
Thank you, Yudhishthir. Please step back for now.
But I saw everything.
Bhim, my strong student, would you step forward?
I'm ready, Guru Drona.
Tell me, what do you see when you look at your target?
I see the little wooden bird, Guru. But I also see the thick branch it's sitting on, the bright sky above us, all those other beautiful trees.
Thank you, Bhim. You may also step back.
But what did I say wrong?
Nakul and Sahadev, my twin warriors, please step forward together. Tell me, what do you both see when you look at your target?
We see the big tree, Guru Drona. And the leaf dancing in the breeze like little dancers. The wooden bird sitting so perfectly on the branch. And all the beautiful forest around us.
Thank you, my dear twins. Please step back as well. What could he possibly want us to say? Arjun, my dear student. Tell me, what do you see?
Guru, I see only the eye of the bird. Nothing else exists for me right now.
Perfect, my dear Arjun. Now you may shoot.
Only the bird's eye.
Hooray! Amazing! Perfect shot!
Arjun, that was incredible.
Even though we didn't get to shoot, I'm so proud of you.
This, my children, is the secret of achieving your goals. When you want to do something really important, you must focus only on that one thing. Don't let your mind wander to all the other things around you. Arjun succeeded because he saw only what mattered most, the target he needed to hit. Everything else disappeared from his mind.
So we were seeing too many things at once.
And Arjun saw just the one thing that mattered.
That's why he could hit it perfectly. You taught us something amazing.
From this day forward, remember this lesson, my dear princess.
And from that day on, whenever the brothers had something important to do, they remembered Arjun and the bird's eye and they tried to focus just like he did. What this story teaches us: when we want to do our best at something, like learning to tie our shoes, practicing a song, or solving a puzzle, we need to focus on just that one thing. If we think about too many other things at the same time, it becomes much harder to succeed. Just like Arjun, when we focus on what's most important, we can do amazing things.